All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something little but outstanding right over here inside this little pouch. There's a pretty cool one, guys. But hey, if you want to check out some cool stuff, check out fablades.com. Maybe there's something nice that you would like to snag, and you might find it. So there's some nice consignment items and some fidget toys you might fall in love with. So anyways, let's go ahead and check out what this thing is about. Would you look at this? Yeah, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Zero kutai scales, all zero kutai. Damn, look at that swing. Gorgeous. Look at this Dama core blade. It is hand rub core. It's just one of the best BBMs out there, guys. Like 100%. So gorgeous knife. I mean, fantastic. Tiny, yeah, 7 centimeters, maybe 7.5 for the cutting edge, and you get 10 for the handle, which means that this is a shitload of mini cannabis. I had to bring out some fancy handles for the size comparison of this bad boy right over here, and you get the Stellaris right there. And because we are in the blue mood, there you go, quantum blue, right? To give you an idea of the size of some big knives. And this fella right over here, it's tiny. I mean, not tiny, it's smaller, of course, than those guys, but still gorgeous. I reviewed a couple of these, and they are simply fantastic, like really, really good knife. This sound with the reverse flick is just gorgeous. So I'm just gonna keep it quick because I just want to show you how cool these materials are. Look at the colors going on, the zirca, oh my god, guys. This is so nice. There's a custom pivot. Of course, you're gonna need a custom tool to take this guy apart, but it's not a biggie because you can obtain that. Ooh, this action is so nice. It's a frame lock, zero kutai. You get the Dama core. Look at the pivot colors and the inlaid pivot, guys. This is ridiculous. It's an inlay right over here. And the pivot color matching on the back, and the spacer and the clip, guys. This is just ridiculousness, pure awesomeness going on. You get a nice hollow grind right over here. Look at this wedge thumb ramp with a little bit of jimping, not really doing much, but looks good. You get a nice hole, fuller. The swedge is coming down and reaching also this part over here, almost the tip of the blade. You get a little bit of belly straight up to the sharpening choil, which also acts as a finger choil because it's just contoured along the handle. So you're just going to do like that. So that's going to be your preferred grip on this beautiful piece. Reverse grip swinging like crazy. You can do like maybe even like thumb. Yeah, but there's no swing. Ding. I don't know what's going on, but the sound that comes out of this thing is just magic. You get a little bit of contouring on the scales, no contouring on the inside. There's no internal skeletonization, as you can see. You get Robert Carter signature on the inside of the back spacer, which is pretty cool touch. Runs on bearings, and you get, I mean, some of this pretty smooth action, of course, right there. But I mean, the scales are the star of the show, stealing. Look at this little touch of yellow in the sea of teal and sea foam. Beautiful, guys. Just a stunner, just a real stunner. I have to just give a big shout out to my buddy Tim for letting me checking out these gorgeous pieces. Really, really cool. And so I'm able to share my impressions with you. And yeah, I mean, I didn't check the weight, I believe, or maybe I did, I forgot, but let's do it again anyways. In ounces, it's going to be 3.84 ounces. There's a lot of materials, of course. Even if this is a small one, it's a dense one. It's ooh, this guy is a rocket, like just deploys like crazy with that beautiful sound. 100%. Even if it's a small knife, it's just great, like perfect EDC, has a nice blade. It feels great in the hand. A little bit of a hot spot in this point right over here, but nothing too crazy. I'll take that because this thing is just that cool. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.